Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all doing well. In today's video, I'll share some tips to how to become a pro player in PUBG Mobile so you can win any matches that you want. Make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how you can become a pro, and let's get started with the video. First, master your controls. Get comfortable with the custom controls that you can make through the customized buttons right here. You can customize your button and make it as comfortable as you want it to be. Adjust the layout, sensitivity and button positions to fit your gameplay. You can adjust your sensitivity from here as well. And to become a pro, you might consider turning on your gyroscope to always on. Most of the pro players use gyroscope to aim better and for stable play. Spend time in training mode to practice shootings, recoil control and movement taking techniques like crouch, jumping and leaning, that is also known jiggle in gaming world. Learn the maps like Irangal, Miramar and Sana. Know popular loot spots, vehicle locations and high traffic areas in this map. Sound is key. Use headphone to hear footsteps, gunfire and enemy positions more accurately. You can know whether enemy just by listening to your sound through your headphones. Don't rush blindly. Play strategically. Use cover and always think one step ahead before your enemy. Always play on squads if you want to get better with a squad, and you have to make sure your synergy works better with them. Watch pro streamers or YouTube gameplay to pick up tips, tricks and strategies from them as well. And that's how you can start playing like a pro in PUBG Mobile. If this video helped you out, like, comment and subscribe for more advanced tips. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on the next one.